Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to send custom invoice on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to actually access our Shopify store. So let's go ahead and go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and from here, what we need to do next is we need to access a few things. So first things first is we need to go to orders. And from here, you need to actually access an order that still has the payment pending status here. In this case, let's go and choose this one. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to send an invoice. Simply, you could do this by clicking on the send invoice button here. And from here, it's going to pop this up. In this case, you just need to enter the to and the from here, which is going to be your store and your email, the in subject here, and the custom message if you want to. But if you want to customize the template itself, what you need to do is just click on the notifications link here. And it should redirect you to another page here, which is the case you should be able to see notifications. Now from here, go to customer notifications. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to customize our order invoice. So go ahead and scroll down a bit here, look for order invoice, and as you can see, it's going to say sent when an order has an outstanding balance. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is we just need to basically click on edit code here, and you'll be able to further customize your invoice here. Now, in this case, you need to have a few knowledge on how to actually use HTML here and a bit of CSS and some tagging here for you to properly use it. But in this case, once you've edited your code here, you just click on preview here. And if you want to test it, you could actually click on the option that says send test email. In this case, once you're done, go ahead and make sure to save your changes and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.